Hi, this is Scott Dudley, and in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the user retention settings in Google Analytics 4. So I'm actually in the Google Merchandise demo account, which everybody's got access to. And to get to where we need to go, we go to Admin down the bottom here. And then under Data Settings, you just click on that drop-down arrow, and then we want to click on Data Retention. And there's only two options here. There's the event data retention and there's the reset user data on new activity. Now, if you're not too sure on what these are, you can always click on the question marks, which will basically give you, a rundown on exactly what these features are for. But the event data retention, that is how long Google Analytics retains information about your users. And it's by default, this is set to 2 months. So if you don't come in and change this, then your user-specific reports are going to be limited to only 2 months of data. And you won't be able to go any further back than that, which is obviously pretty limited. And unless you've got really strict privacy policy, then you want to come back in here and change that to the option of 14 months. So there's just two options, 2 months or 14 months. So you may as well come in here and extend this to the 14 months. And as it says here, this is where you select the length of time you want to retain event data. And then the other option underneath here is to reset user data on new activity. So you want to turn this option on to reset the retention period of the user identifier with each new event from that user, which therefore sets the expiration date to the current time plus the retention period. So it basically resets the timer for that specific user to then extend by another 14 months. So I would recommend that you turn this on. And once again, I can't come in here and edit this because it's the Google Merchandise store. But you just want to make sure that if you want to use this, that the toggle switch is on, or if you don't want to use it, then the toggle switch is off. And then obviously you come down the bottom here and you click on Save. Now, on top of this, it really only gives you 14 months of data, which is why you should seriously consider connecting Google BigQuery and then setting up a daily export where it exports all of your GA information into BigQuery, and you can store that for as long as you want. So if you do it that way, then you're not limited to this 14 months of data. But yeah, I'll do another video which will explain how to connect your GA4 account to BigQuery. But for the moment, if you've got any more questions on what videos you'd like me to create, just let me know in the comments. Otherwise, have a great day.